Hello everybody, my name is Millie and I'm back with another Pixie Dust Parade dance tutorial, and this time, as you can see behind me, it's going to be super special because it's Christmas themed. So I hope that you're getting in the festive spirit, and if you haven't decorated already, I highly suggest you do so, and I have a song that's going to help you get in the mood for decorating. Today we're going to be learning Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, the Glee edition. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree is, and if you've seen some of my other tutorials, you'll recognise these moves. The first thing we're going to do is hop onto your left foot and raise your right arm, and it's done with a bit of flair, so hop like this, bring your other leg in front, and then you do it the other way, and then again, and then again. Like that. It's quite energetic, but it's quite an energetic song. So we do that 4 times, and then you raise your hands up here with your fingers and you waggle them down and do a bit of a bop at the same time. So, da 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 da. Like that. Next we're going to, I like to call this picking the mistletoe. You're going to raise your arm above your head, put your left foot forward and you raise your right arm. So, da, 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 da. If you've watched my You Can't Stop the Beat tutorial, you'll recognise some of these moves. So, do that 4 times. And then bring back the twist that we also did in You Can't Stop the Beat. So, twist, 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 twist. And then the words are stop, so bring your hands up as a stop. And then it repeats some of the lines, so the moves are very similar. So, rocking around the Christmas tree, like that, and let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie, and this time it changes. So you bring your hand down, and we'll do some caroling is the line. So you have just done pick the mistletoe, and you're gonna then swing your right arm in a circle. So swing, left arm, swing, caroling. It makes more sense with music. And then we're going to travel, and I don't have that much room to travel, so make sure you've got room. So we're going to go to the right, and you're going to do a bit of a swing with your arms and your legs. So da, 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 and then the line says something about here. So you bring your hand up to your ear and listen. If you want to point your toe for some flair, that's great. And then we're going to spin back to where we started. So da, 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 spin. Spin back to here. And then the line says deck with some enthusiasm. So you're going to jump and make kind of a star shape. So deck, and then bring your arms down, the halls with boughs of holly. And then we come back to the beginning and you repeat that for the first half of the song. Okay? Shall we try it with the music?
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
That is Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, the Glee edition. It's one of my favourite versions of that song because it's so upbeat and it's so fun to dance to. So I hope that you had fun dancing along to it. The same moves apply to the song in general, any version of it I guess, but you just have to do them slower with the original. So take Rockin' around the Christmas tree and show off at your Christmas parties, your Christmas discos, anything that you can have COVID safe currently, of course, or just show off to your family. It's a great way to keep fit, it's a great way to get in the Christmas spirit, and it's a great way to get decorated if you're going to dance while doing that. As always, thank you so much for watching Pixie Dust Parade. I absolutely love filming these tutorials for you, so I hope you love them as much as I do. Stay tuned for a couple of weeks worth of Christmas themed ones, or New Year's themed, or holiday themed if you are not a celebrator of Christmas. I hope that you have a really safe and happy holiday season regardless of COVID, of any other restrictions. Stay safe but have fun. Okay, I'll see you next time for more Christmas dances. Bye.